Jai Hind, Jai Mirar. Just I welcome in RCM e-learning application which provide you the NEP new education policy system with new trends. Whatever Indian government want to and establish new institutions and new education policy. Those who have admission in NEP, BA, BSc, BCom, MA, MCom, those students are invited to join with me because this application is giving you more opportunity to giving you various kinds of information related to new education policy, which is the dream of Indian education system. NCERT, University Grants Commission, and other national ranking framework, all English literature and all political science, sociology, or other subjects are available on this application. You can make competitive examination preparation, competitive English, competitive Hindi, competitive journal knowledge, competitive political science, sociology, and other subjects. You are invited to joining with me because this application is a solution of every problem under one application. You can always be contact with me because I am also working as a teacher, as a principal in a degree college. So you can also join with me. I am a English teacher and you can join with me for literature and grammatical problem solving solution everywhere here. So Class Plus is giving me opportunity to complete this application with a unlimited multiple sources of your literary career, multiple sources of your information, multiple books and other written material are available in this application. You can daily join with me to learning newspaper both in Hindi and English, and you can also listen, you can also learn magazines like competitive examination, सक्सेस मिरर, प्रतियोगिता दर्पण, नेट और स्पीकिंग इंग्लिश और एनी अदर English and Hindi magazines. You can easily can be ready to join with me, and you can also join with me English competitive examination courses. You can join with me English speaking courses. You can join with me MA English first semester and third semester, and you can join with me value education and skill educational courses here because MA NEP providing you value based education and life skills as a minor subject. So you can easily learn here various kinds of strategies of new education policy. Then you must also join with me, and you can also contact with me on my YouTube channel RCM e-learning by Dr. S.K. Deswal, and you can also join with me WhatsApp, you can also join with me Facebook, and you can also download this application free of cost from Google Play Store, RCM e-learning application, and you can contact me 9258822392. Thank you very much. Have a good day.